Hello friends, this is a teacher from NAMS NAMS Academy. Today we will have a little look on future perfect continuous tense. As you know friends, the tenses are the king of English grammar. I am trying to basically make you understand in a very simple way. I have not used any graphics or any other tool. This is simple which I have personally made. So let us go ahead with future perfect continuous tense affirmative sentences. Here I, we, shall have been doing this project since or for at this time. Generally in the present or past perfect continuous tense we have used since or for in perfect continuous tense. So in the future we are assuming that this work will be happening and starting from a specific period of time. With other pronouns he, she, you, they will have been doing this project since 8 o'clock we can use at this time, or if we have to use quantity which is countable quantity for 8 hours at this time. In the negative sentences, note has to be put. I, we shall have not been doing this project since 8 o'clock or for 8 hours at this time. Here the negation comes. Negative sentences are generally used followed by note, which is inserted in affirmative sentences. He, she, you, they will have not been doing this project since 8 o'clock at this time. In the interrogative sentences, helping verb comes first. Shall or will we will use to make it interrogative. In the last question mark we have to put. Shall I be have been doing this project since 8 o'clock at this time? Or will they have been doing this project for 18 hours or 8 hours at this time? So this is all about basic understanding. In the tense I have covered present, past and future tense. However, there are other sentences like exclamatory, imperative sentences. We will have a slight look on those sentences also in the next video. Till then, bye bye.